What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on ICP. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
So in the last 7 days, ICP has actually gotten a very nice bounce. They're up around 23%, and they're back at a price of $15.27. Their market cap is $7 billion, which ranks 18th among all cryptocurrencies. And then their circulating supply is 462 million out of a total supply of 517 million. So yeah, ICP is actually outperforming a lot of the market right now. And if you guys are looking to add to the ICP pump, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And now I usually do my little Discord promotion later in the video, but I want to talk about it right now, just because we are currently exploding. So as I showed you on ICP, we are up about 23% in 7 days. If you guys have any degen blood in you at all and enjoy trading microcap gems, my Discord called out a project called Landwolf, and we are all up over 20x in the last week. But we have been making thousands and thousands of percent gains through this initial pump. And especially now that the Bitcoin halving is done, there's a chance that crypto starts to explode. So again, if you guys have any degen blood in you at all and want to give microcaps a try, I have 3 different tiers in my Discord. I have a general Discord tier, I have an exclusive tier, and then I have a VIP tier. So this is going to give you guys many benefits. Like, you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. But again, we have been making thousands of percent gains. So if you guys are interested in this, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We are building an amazing community. I'd love to have you guys in here. But now we'll hop into the ICP news. So this is the Dfinity X account, and they just posted 46 minutes ago. You are quarterly invited to join the Dfinity Foundation at Zurich HQ to celebrate ICP's 3rd anniversary. Expect a full day of keynotes and demos focusing on cryptography, chain fusion, decentralized AI, DAOs, and more. An event you won't want to miss. So it's cool to see that they are doing something for the 3rd anniversary. And then 4 hours ago, Chugga Bitcoin. Loca mining is a Bitcoin layer on ICP that makes BTC productive by earning native yield from the Bitcoin mining economy. Celebrate the Bitcoin halving by tuning into the exciting developments in the Bitcoin layer 2 space here. And as I say all the time in my ICP videos, one of the biggest reasons I'm bullish on ICP is because they help Bitcoin. At the end of the day, Bitcoin is by far the most important cryptocurrency. If Bitcoin were to crash, it would most likely crash the entire crypto market. So I love to see that ICP helps them out. And then I want to show you this video on April 20th. AI smart contracts on ICP are chugging along rapidly. With 10 times faster deterministic floating point instructions and ongoing optimizations, the boundaries for sophisticated AI models on-chain are being pushed. More developments coming soon on ICP.
One is helping optimize the internet computer to run AI. So, we can run larger and larger models and more efficiently. Currently, each smart contract has 4 gigabytes of main memory. I'm pleased to say that we're moving to 64-bit WASM soon, which completely removes that restriction. And we'll probably increase the maximum amount of main memory to 32 gigabytes or something like that. And that will make it possible to run these large language models. This is like, we've just started down this path. And, people who've watched Dfinity over the years know that things are going to get better and better and better. So already now we've got in our work pipeline something called SIMD instructions. So it took us a while to determine these things were deterministic. So SIMD instructions will be put into the smart contract execution environment. That will massively speed up these AI smart contracts.
And again, I think AI is still one of the most overlooked things on ICP. A lot of people out there don't realize they have completely integrated AI. And if you go and you look around Twitter and you take a poll, the most popular narrative is AI by far. That is what most people are confident in this bull run. So as more and more people are starting to realize that ICP is actually using AI, I think that could be extremely bullish. But now we'll hop into some macro news that could affect ICP's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to ICP. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And they haven't posted for a couple of days, but the most important thing is that the Bitcoin halving is officially complete. I'm sure most of you guys already know that at this point, but this is huge. In addition, a Fed official says the Federal Reserve could wait until 2025 to lower interest rates. Now, personally, I don't know as though they can actually wait this long, but this is definitely something you guys are going to want to keep your eyes on because interest rates heavily control the crypto market. I guess I shouldn't necessarily say heavily, but they do definitely have an impact. Many times in the past when the rates have gotten lowered, crypto has absolutely skyrocketed. And then lastly, I want to show you this video on April 17th. Blackrock says Bitcoin is the most widely adopted digital asset in the world. And again, you have to understand, Blackrock is the world's largest asset manager in charge of almost $10 trillion of funds. So when they say something, it has heavy impact.
There's been a lot of buzz about spot Bitcoin ETFs. But what are they? Let's start with what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most widely adopted digital asset in the world. It is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized network, meaning it is not controlled by any central authority. Bitcoin functions through computers known as nodes, employing transactions that are meticulously recorded in a...
Now, you guys don't need a full lecture on Bitcoin. I understand that. But again, just realize this is Blackrock who is saying this. So if there are still any of you guys out there who doubt crypto as an asset class, I recommend you think again. There is so much more hype around crypto than there ever has been in the past. In fact, for the first time ever, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high before the Bitcoin halving. We have never seen that done. But while we are on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, so there's some information you guys probably aren't going to want to miss out on. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. Now, in my last video, I did call out the fact that ICP had a Class A bullish divergence. Price action swing from a lower low to a higher low. RSI was higher low to lower low. So I said I wouldn't be surprised if we actually got a bounce. And we did end up getting a very nice bounce, and we pumped all the way up to the 21-day moving average, where at the current moment we are appearing to have a very soft rejection. So had you guys taken this trade, you could have made some very nice gains. But in general, there really isn't a whole lot to discuss on ICP. This is the main level we want to watch at the moment. If price action can get back above the 21-day moving average, that could be extremely bullish. Yet, if we end up having a rejection, we could fall all the way back down to about $11.75. Now, on the contrary, you could argue that this was a falling wedge that started to break out. So if it does get back above the 21-day, we could pump all the way up to this level at about $19.78. Obviously, that isn't guaranteed, but it's something to keep your eyes on. So again, in the meantime, just watch this very important level. We want to get back above the 21-day moving average. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is actually Bitcoin in the 4-hour, but I think the 4-hour is very important. So right now, Bitcoin is currently trading above the 21-day and the 50-day moving average. However, we are still beneath the 200-day. So we're basically sandwiched between a resistance level and a support level. Ideally, we would love to see Bitcoin get back above the 200-day. Now, you could argue that Bitcoin is actually forming some sort of an ascending triangle pattern. And this ascending triangle would actually have a measure move up to about 70,400. Although ascending triangles are a 50-50 pattern, so there's also a chance that this breaks down. And at the current moment, there is not a bullish divergence, so there's nothing that's making me lean bullish. This is truly the definition of a neutral pattern. So ICP, I'm primarily watching the daily time frame, but Bitcoin, I'm primarily watching the 4-hour. We want to see Bitcoin get back above the 200-day moving average. If that happens, the crypto market could absolutely start flying. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.